don't need too many guesses to know what the postman brought today. How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Just a bit of a different one today. I'm after getting myself one of the Zwift bikes. If anyone's watched the channel from the start last year, I got absolutely drenched. Drowned in all sorts of weather. So this winter I'm just going to make it a bit easier on myself. We'll still get out on the bike, get into good long spins, but just on the days that I'm rushing with time with the kids and work and everything, we'll hopefully jump on the turbo and be able to get a quick hour done. So it's just 5 to 10. We'll have a quick look in the box, see how long it takes to put together. Now I am the least bike technical person you'll see. I am the Scooby-Doo about putting a bike together. So if I can get this thing together, you'll know it's not too bad. So literally 10 minutes, no not even 10 minutes, 5 minutes putting on the legs and it's ready to go then. The only thing is just a little bit rocky, just not level. I don't know what the story of that is, but can't be any other way. Can't be put together any other way. There's nothing to do with just stick on the legs. I cannot for the life of me find these bloody pedals and through axle. You know why you can't find them? Because there's another box. Told you I'm useless at putting these together. Hi. It's a tool for putting it together. How handy is that? That is the only tool you need. Instructions how to put it together, we're going to need that. That's what we're after. So because we have the new cog set up, we need adapter D and adapter C. Alright, let's see, can we get this bike on the turbo? Now we have the chain on. This little thing down here, this puts the tension on the chain, and there she is, nice and tight. The good thing about this cog, you don't need a cassette. It'll do virtual shifting for you. In the game you can change it into SRAM or Shimano, or I can just keep it a virtual gearing. So when you open up the box, you get this little chart, and it gives you a rough idea of your saddle height, bars, reach, everything. So I got my bike fit done, geez, only 3 or 4 months ago up in Specialized, so I know exactly what I want. But just for now, we'll throw on what these have. So I'm 6 foot, saddle has to go to Q. Lefty Lucy. Righty tighty. And it's locked in. Oh, I love the handlebars. These are class. Oh, you have the buttons on there, you can interact. You can change them around to adjust your settings, give you a ride on, power up. Oh. Right. Get the handlebars on. Screw is underneath. Get the handlebars. There's just guide rails in there that the handlebars go onto. Like before, get up to Q. Nine minutes past 11. So what, an hour and 15 minutes put together. To be honest, if you read the instructions, you'll probably do it in half an hour. If you're like me and just look at it and go for it, it takes a bit longer. The thing that caught me the most was looking for that through axle. I just was sure it'd come with the bike, but it was in a different box with the handlebars. So simple things like that just waste time. So we'll have a just quick look, see what came in the pedal box. Pedals. These little clips for cable management. So these little things for cable management. And these screws now, I have no idea what they are. No idea what they are. I haven't used. I got these stock pedals. We ain't using them. We're going to head down to the bike shop, pick up a cheap set of pedals just to do for this. So it's handy. The bike comes with bottle cages, and you might think they look a little bit different, and the reason is they just sit down into it. And the bike isn't going anywhere, so it doesn't need to be gripped. It's literally just take out, suck, back in. So the bike comes with a saddle. It feels fairly decent, to be honest, but we'll see how we get on. We might change it to the same saddle I'm using on the road. Happy days. Was just heading down to get some bike pedals. Realised I had an old set of Garmin pedals. So that's it. I just wanted to make a quick video setting it up. There's definitely easier ways putting it together than the way I did. Follow the instructions. After the summer we just had, it was brutal. Winter, I'd imagine, is going to be horrendous, so that was the idea. Get a turbo, have a bit of crack on Zwift, try to get that Tron bike, and just make life that little bit easier when I'm short on time. Get up, bang out an hour on this, no messing around, I'm not missing any workouts. So as always, thanks for watching. If you can, drop a like, comment. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. We're out on the road. Slán.